Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of sound on the application of Pokemon Go. You will go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search about Pokemon Go and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.